Hi, I am Veerpal, COO of Sunkind India Private Limited. With decade of experience in the solar industry, I do understand the challenges of a potential solar owner, and choose the right partner is a crucial part because it is not about a year, we are talking about the 30 years. बहुत सारी छोटी छोटी चीज़ें होती हैं जो हम मिस करते हैं while choosing a right solar partner. सो इस वीडियो में मैं आपको उन सब छोटी छोटी चीज़ों के बारे में बताऊंगा जिनका हमें किसी भी नए सोलर प्लांट के लिए अपने पार्टनर चूज करने के लिए ध्यान में रखना है. First, assess your rooftop area for the optimal installation. We are talking about the available open space, जो आपकी छत पे जो भी space available है, where we are going to put solar system. For the available open area, we have to ensure there should no nearby high-rise structure which can cause the shadow area for the proposed solar system. We have to ensure all your utility on the rooftop are well considered so that we can optimize that space or those areas also where we can put the high-rise structure which can help us to get the maximum solar plant capacity. So next, understand the current technology. And if we talk about the technology, first let us focus on the solar modules. Nowadays, this monopark, bifacial, top cone, monofacial, bifacial, these are the commonly used module technologies. Now your technology partner will play an essential role. Designing is the again essential or you can say the crucial part of your project. So designing voltage in terms of the plant efficiency. For the rooftop, whether we have to go for the 1000 volt or we have to go 1500 volt, your technology partner will help you to choose the right voltage level for the better efficiency or the safety point of view for your project. Choose durable structural component. Aluminium for the lightweight we can use for the rooftop structures. And for all the ground mount project, we can go as per the optimum weight with respect to the site location wind zone. So navigate government policies and approvals seamlessly with expert licensing team which can help you to choose the right government policy for fit for your project. Whether you have to go with the net metering, net billing or behind the meter policies. Net metering help you to feed the excess power to the grid and utilize back when you need it. In the net billing, the excess power fed to grid will be set off with the agreed commercial rate, and behind the meter, whatever plant is generating, you are utilizing within your premises and you are not allowed to feed any power to the network. So here your technology partner can help you to choose or to decide under which policy you have to plan for your solar plant. Rely on in-house expertise for precise design capacities. So lot of companies claim for their in-house design capabilities, but at the same time they outsource it. The right technology partner having all in-house design capabilities, not limited to all your mechanical and electrical, but your past experience also designing the similar kind of a project can help you to get the best solution for your requirements. So one more important aspect for choosing your solar partner is to ensure field quality with certified and trained channel partners. See, on the ground, all the execution part is being done with your extended channels. So it is necessary to train your extended channel partners who can ensure the best quality workmanship at the site. So Sunkind India is having a Center of Excellence in Gurugram, where we do training to all our extended arms, including our installation partners, all our business development channel partners, which actually helping their capability buildings. So the key forte for your technology partner is to embrace the trending technologies for the maximum power in the minimal space. With his past experience and his design ideas can help you to match up your power requirement in a minimal space. Optimize your systems with the proper design. Sometimes to achieve the maximum capacity, people do overloading on the inverter. Here your technology partner can help you to avoid over design or undersized issues. Experience and reputations. Always check customer review and case studies. Second most important aspect, technical expertise. Ensure your solar partner understands the unique energy demands of an individual facility. Third, quality of the component. Quality of component means never settle for the cheap materials. Certifications and standards. Compliance with safety and quality standards is crucial. Warranty and after sale services. Ensure your solar partner offer comprehensive support or after sale services. All in all, assess your rooftop area. Learn about module technology, monopark or topcon. Determine system design voltage. Choose durable structural component. Navigate government approvals, whether net metering or net billing. Rely on in-house expertise for the design capacities and ensure field quality with certified partners. This is all you need to assess your solar partner. Choose a partner who exceeds your need. Your solar journey starts with the right choice. With optimized execution capabilities and trained partner, there is only one trusted name paving the way for the green energy in emerging India, Sunkind Energy. Renew the future.